Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Omer is a peaceful village in Quebec's Chaudière-Appalaches region. Nestled in central Quebec, this quaint municipality is home to 300 people and has breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Saint-Omer is part of the Lille Regional Municipality, known for its serene countryside and close-knit community. The people here mostly speak French, as it is the primary language for almost all its residents. The village has a rich local history and serves as a hub for agricultural activities in the area. For nature enthusiasts, the nearby mountains are perfect for exploring and enjoying scenic vistas. Saint-Omer might be small, but it has that warm, welcoming charm that makes it a perfect escape from busy city life. If you're traveling through Chaudière-Appalaches, this little gem is worth a visit.
Thanks for watching!